Diane, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning.
Hey.
I was wondering if you could tell me the difference between a beneficiary and a payable on death for a bank account.
Okay. Well, both of them are great tools for avoiding probate. A beneficiary is how you typically define somebody in a life insurance policy, an IRA, 401k, annuity. They give you a beneficiary designation form. POD is what you typically use on a bank account, a checking, savings, money market, CD. You would own that account in your name only, Diane, but make that account POD, payable on death to your kids. If you do that and you pass away, the only thing they will need to do is to show the bank your death certificate, and they will turn the money over to them. Diane, does that make sense to you?
It does make sense. To further elaborate on the question, if I have a spouse and we don't have a joint account, we do have a will that leaves everything to the other.
All right.
But the accounts are not joint accounts.
All right.
What would be the best direction there, I guess?
Well, Diane, if you have an account in your name only, and you have a will that says when I die, I leave everything to my husband, if you make that bank account POD for your kids, what happens is that bank account will not be governed by your will. It will be governed by your POD form, and that bank account money will go to your children. So it's really a way for you to dispose of assets outside your will, you might say.
Okay, excellent. All right, so we really should just do a little house cleaning and audit of our accounts to make sure they're all labeled correctly.
Exactly, including making sure that if it's an individual account, Diane, that if you name your spouse first, you want to make sure that then your kids are the alternate or contingent beneficiaries on those forms.
Okay, excellent advice. Thank you very much.
All right, Diane, you're very welcome.